it is, August 8th. And here are the collies.
Everyone up on the sidewalk, please. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. This is just too cool. Oh, look at them. They really are hurting. There's 70 of those guys.
She's plenty. She doesn't own that. Oh, well, Kathy's the...
How cool is this?
No, look, Kathy's the...
I guess I need to do that.
No, that's what Don told me.
Very cool.
Oh,
Hi, guys.
hi. I'm an equestrian. And my daughter...
Hey.
Hey. Yeah.
Woo.
That's what Don told me.
Look at those guys.
Well, she
How
owns
cool
the
is
one
that?
on Anchorage because she wanted me to
Look
sell
at the
it.
collie dogs.
Okay.
Look at the collie.
Yes, she's all into this and we're talking about it.
Look at this collie.
Yes, I see that collie.
Oh, you guys.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi. Oh my God.
Look at them. I love the fact it's the collie. Hey, honey, how fun for you.
Fun for you. I always wanted to do that.
Look, here's another one.
Is that it?
That's it.
I thought they'd be running.
There's 200 of them. And there's where we live.
Wait, it's a green Ford? What is this?